As a teacher, you can build your content library for your classroom in two different ways. The first way is you can build your units as sections, which are color-coded, and you can create as many different pages as you'd like for that section. If your class is the type of class where you're not going to have very many pages or very many handouts, documents, etc., for each unit of study, it's best to just create sections by just hitting the plus tab and giving it a title for each of your units. If you're a class where your units are going to be broken down into a lot of different documents or exercises, it's best to create what are called section groups, which is a small folder that is within the content library. So here I've created an example of all my units built as section groups. To create a section group, all you have to do is right click in the white space right here and create new section group and give it a name. What that does is it creates a folder for that unit. So for unit 1, I've broken down unit 1 into a class notes section, an assignment section, and a handout section. Within each of these sections, I can create as many pages as I want for my students to access materials.